Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I love you, not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. So, I love you because the entire universe conspired to help me find you. I want to be with you until my last page. If forever does exist, please let it be you. You are, and always have been, my dream. I never want to stop making memories with you. When I follow my heart, it leads me to you. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. I love you more than I have ever found a way to say to you. If I had to choose between breathing and loving you, I would use my last breath to tell you I love you. I swear I couldn't love you more than I do right now, and yet I know I will tomorrow. True love stories never have endings. There's no pretending. I love you, and I will love you until I die. Forever isn't long enough with you. Together is my favorite place to be. You're my favorite place to go when my mind searches for peace. Just you and me, forever and always. You complete me in a way I never knew was possible. When I say I love you, I mean it with every part of me. You make my heart smile. It was always you. In a sea of people, my eyes will always search for you. My heart is, and always will be, yours. We loved with a love that was more than love. Love is the key to happiness. You're my favorite hello and hardest goodbye. Soulmates never part. You are my heart's desire. To love is nothing. To be loved is something. But to love and be loved, that's everything.